Welcome. It is Saturday, August 17th, 2024. Today I'm going to see Alien Romulus with a couple of friends. I'm wearing an appropriate t-shirt. But also, I finally got my new video camera. So going forward, should have better sound and video quality after several delays. I finally got it. I was supposed to get it last Thursday, then it got delayed to Saturday. It showed that it was in Houston. Then it said I was supposed to get it on Monday, and then it got delayed again, and then it said it was in Tampa, Florida for some reason. I don't know if my camera wanted to go to Disney World or take a vacation on the beach or whatever, but I finally got it on Thursday, August the 15th. Got my new camera. I'm still messing around with it, trying to figure it out, trying to figure out how to edit and upload everything. So yeah, join me as I head to Cinemark and see the new Alien movie and play around with this new camera. So join me if you will. Will you? Alright, so this is the camera I ended up getting, the Osmo Pocket 3. So that's what it looks like. And this is the battery it came with. I ended up purchasing a bigger battery with a longer handle on it, so it's easier to hold. It did come with some stickers and this cover to put the camera in. And I did get this multi-port USB hub for my laptop. And what I didn't realize, the camera needed a micro SD card, which didn't come with it. Something I overlooked, but I just went to Walmart and I got me one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my camera. That's what it looks like, and just trying to figure it all out. And this is what the USB port looks like for the SD card to go in, and it just connects to my laptop. I was also curious to see how many Alien movies they had. So they had the first one in 1979, then Aliens in 1986, Alien 3 in 1992, then they had the Alien Resurrection in 1997, Prometheus in 2012, and the Alien Covenant in 2017. And this new Alien Romulus movie takes place between the first Alien, which took place in 2122, and Aliens, which took place in 2183. So basically it takes place between the first and the second movie. Well, I made it to Cinemark. Let me flip you around here. So this is Cinemark. When they first opened this building, it used to be called the Palladium. And I remember when they first opened, they had a grand opening, and they had red carpet on the inside. So when the people came in, all the employees were standing on each side of the red carpet, and they would cheer and applaud as you walked in. And I remember doing that with my mom, and that was so cool. And then they switched over to the Regal Theater, and it was the Regal Theater for a while, and now it is Cinemark. Alright, so they got a bowling alley here. I never bowled here, but it's pretty cool. And they have a arcade area over here. A lot of different games, Jurassic Park.
Come play.
Frogger. Pac-Man.
Survive. On fire! Amazing!
So it's a pretty cool theater. Here we go, Aliens. See, it's a pretty big theater. Rosso. Appetizers. Have you ever eaten here before? You just open it up. I guess you open it and get your popcorn out.
Maybe one in high def. I think you can get SD high def cards, so maybe one in high def.
Oh, we got that thing today.
Yeah, giraffe.
The giraffe.
Yeah.
You were talking about wanting to be back by 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Cinemark. You want to go eat somewhere?
Yeah, that's fine. Maybe we'll go.
Well, I thought it was a pretty good movie. I'd give it a solid B. But I did want to get the Aliens popcorn bucket. They didn't have any. So I went with the Beetle Juice one, which I'll be seeing the new Beetle Juice movie in a couple of weeks or so. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, all in all, just great movie with great friends and trying to figure out this new camera I got. Well, that's going to do it for my video for today. As always, thank you for watching. Be safe, be kind, and stay caffeinated.